welcome back to my channel. So, I intro myself. My name is Nabila Salsabila from the TRPL A. This is my English assessment. The title my presentation is Dart Basic or Flutter Basic. Okay, so let's go. Right. Okay. Now, what is Dart? Dart is a programming language. So, created by Google. Well, Flutter is an open source UI framework from the Google. What they use Dart to build cross-platform iOS, Android, website, desktop application from a single code base, opening fast development with hot reloading, widget-rich UI, and high performance. So, what do we need to learn Dart? Okay, the Dart learning that from application development, um, ex, Android, yes. The experiential Flutter requires an understanding of basic syntax, data type, OOP, or object-oriented programming syntax, and data collection improve the point introduction variable function. Flow control is if which Flutter or Stream as well as tools start as SDK and face code. So, but before what there are several things that must be prepared. Prepared. Okay, so the first download Visual Studio Code. So this is why open the link Visual Studio. Yes, this is Visual Studio. Nah, the color Visual Studio is purple, yeah. So the first, you can click get free download and automatic this download this. So let's go. After download, this is you um, you get the information from the face code, yeah. After download or install Visual Code. Okay, next, after download Visual Studio. This is install Flutter. Okay, let's go. I want tutorial with you download Flutter. So this is download Flutter SDK. So this is install Flutter. So you click quick start. To window. This is tutorial. Install Flutter. So you search install Flutter. Wait. Where? I see. This is install Flutter, yes. You can search version. You can, yes, search a version and then you click the version. After click automatic the Flutter dan download. This is information you dan download. Tuh. So after install Flutter, oh, don't forget you download this is Flutter extension this Flutter. Yes, this install Flutter. Okay. After install Flutter in extension, you can install Dart. This Dart install. Okay, you then install. So let's go. Okay, let's talk about Dart. Okay. The Dart is OOP data type. The variable is that Dart are location are container in memory. What are used to store values or data? You that can be manipulated by programs. The example for name Dart in, 、 years 2025. Okay, so data type is data support, a vary of data type, including starting data type is including string, integer, double, float, list, map, and dynamic. So null value an untilize variable has a null initial value. So constant or const, a variable whose value cannot be changed. Asian it is defined using the final or const keywords. So naming rules is case. Sorry. Is case sensitive, cannot start with a number, and conversion is to use camel case. Dynamic variable it's you use for which own direct intonation. The variable can be of dynamic type. Can you change data type? Okay, so next, the data still data type. Number one, the in int or integer. Nah, so integer is basic data type used to store integer value positive, negative, or zero with on decimal point. So this is the example 0, comma from 21 gitu. Next, number two, double. The double is data type used to store decimal or vacation numbers. Double responsive. The present 64 bit number allow star of number which comes such as the version T 3, comma 40 or 2 5. This is the start of number with this this is the standard type for the calculus that required real number accounts. The number 3 string in the dart. Nah, is basic data type use the reposite and manipulative is series of the chains or next such as letter, number, symbol, and even emoji. Bool or BOOL or Boolean is that basic data type that has only two possible values. The two, this from true or false, used to present truth, logical Boolean function as or loop to check condition. Next, number 5. This is list in that is an order collection data record used to store a set of object or value. The like or array in another language is the single variable. So number 6, map in Dart. This is dynamic. Map in Dart is dynamic collection that store that in k value pairs, medium, age, then k is unique and maps to speak value, making it easier to search data infinity. Number 7, set. Set is type, the collection data structure that story collection of the unique and another elements. Okay, next. Bridging. Bridging is this if else. What the bridge is a control structure in a program what is to run certain code base from the conditional or decision which bring the program can choose a path coordinate to the station that cushion so that the program for become more dynamic and variable. There are any brains for that. So it is if settlement, if else settlement, if else settlement, with case settlement, ternary operator. This is the questions. Yes, the nested nested if switch expression. So if statement executes a block of the code, only the condition evaluates to true. If else statement provide true but the executing the code true. If else statement used to check multiple question condition. So this is okay. Next, looping. This is looping for the why. Mm, from the number is um what this the looping that the fundamental adjustment for application executing block of code prepared until certain conditions are met. For the loop, the most number for the loop is version. So number one for the loop, the constant command start used for initialization condition increment to repeat code a specific number for the time. So this is the example. So number two for in the loop, very useful for extension each element in a collection, list and set sequentially. When number three, while loop executes a block of code as long as the specific conditional evaluation to true. Dual loop, the last loop, do while loop from the slimmer to well, but currents what is the block code will be executed that check-in conditional. Okay, next. Null or empty data. That null safety is a security feature that prepare errors resulting from the experimental null value, where all data type cannot be null by default. Non-nullable different from the three variants. Okay, not null non null label default, null label type, null accession operator. So non-null default variable cannot be example string name null will error. Null type. This is the question. So at a question, sorry, allow null values. The example string, the string is data type, and then question and uname or this is variable, ya. Null extension operator is this is the first nullable variable to be considered non-null, risking a crash if it runs out to be null. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Thank you guys.